ACC has undergone a scheduling overhaul heading into this season. Our 10 sports director, John Appicello, has an example of the immediate impact from day one of the ACC football kickoff in Charlotte.
They say change can bring hope, and the ACC's new scheduling model has just 3 primary opponents per team each year. The rest of the teams rotate. So for a team like Louisville, that means no Florida State, no Clemson every single season.
I think the whole thing that's happening in the ACC is healthy overall for competition. I think it's obviously new teams allow you to have new faces that you're playing against, not the same people year in and year out. So it challenges you to grow and change.
It gives a great opportunity. I mean, every ACC team, obviously has a great shot. And the way our schedule's set up this year, I think we have with a really good team. Obviously, I think any schedule that you put in front of us, we would do well with. But it's exciting just to see how it's going to pan out.
And for the players and fans, variety is the spice of life.
I mean, I think I'm excited. I think they're doing an interesting thing, and all the athletic directors in the conference decided to, because I think they said it took 12 years to play home and away with every team. So, and you get to play some other teams, and historically, people would argue that our side of the conference is tougher.
So the top 2 teams will play for the title, but now we could see 2 divisional foes in a rematch. That could never happen before. The ACC wants their best 2 teams in Charlotte in December. From the ACC kickoff, John Appicello, 10 Sports.